Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Ubuntu 4.10 Warty Warthog. I know you think the first version of Ubuntu should be 1.0. They named their releases by the year they're released, not in order of numbers. So, it's actually Ubuntu 4.10 because it was first released in 2004. So, it is the first version of Ubuntu, but that's just how they're releasing and everything works. So, we're gonna go ahead and look at that. Let's jump onto our computer. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see more of these videos. I just started a new series of videos called Looking Back, which this video is actually in that series. It's just videos about looking back. Literally, the name explains everything. Looking back on old technology and operating systems and hardware and whatnot. So, if you'd like to see more of those videos, definitely make sure to subscribe. And with that being said, we're going to move on. Alright, so there we got that classic Ubuntu startup screen. Let's go. Nice little, okay. So, I guess we have all those controls. So, yeah. I want to see GIMP. Where's that? The GIMP. Okay, I'll open the GIMP. Who calls it the GIMP? GIMP tip of the day. Nearly all image operations are performed by right-clicking on the image, and don't worry, you can undo most mistakes. Pretty nice. Let's see if I have an image that I can edit. Home. Desktop. Oh, let's go. Can we go to our file system? Can we not do that? Like, what have you done? I can't do that? Oh. Okay. Well, I guess we'll have to cancel the party. It's funny how GIMP will work, but the terminal won't. So, floppy formatter, not a floppy disk formatter. Wow. System configuration, device manager. That was a thing on Linux? I thought that was a Windows thing. Alright, here, we're gonna go to system tools again. Actually, computer, desktop preferences. We've got assistive technology support. Background, file management, screensaver, session, sound, theme, Windows. Oh, okay. And, the Synaptic Package Manager. We do have a Synaptic Package Manager. That's nice. Here, I can close this out. Will the Synaptic work? Will Synaptic Package Manager work? Please. 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 Oh, okay, here it is. Well, of course, it's not going to completely work, but will it open at least? Yes. There's a Synaptic Package Manager. So, and we've got 4 workspaces down here. We've got the trash. And I noticed that it just has this foot. It's just a foot. There's no Ubuntu logo, but So that's Ubuntu 1.0. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna make more looking back videos in the future, reviewing old texts, stuff like this video. But that's it for today, guys. So I'll see you next time. When it gets cold outside.